Before the world existed, you are God, God. Before the stars were placed in heaven's throne. From the dawn of time, you never changed. You are the same forevermore. King of glory, Lord of all, your name above every throne. Your kingdom stands forever. Your glory fills the earth and sky. Nothing compares to your holiness. You reign in power and in light. Every nation will bow before you. Every heart will know your name. Jesus, you alone are worthy. Your kingdom stands the same. From age to age your truth remains. Your word will never fade away. Mountains fall and oceans roar, but your throne will stand always. King eternal, righteous Lord, all creation sings your praise. Your kingdom stands forever. Your glory fills the earth and sky. Nothing compares to your holiness. You reign in power and in light. Every nation will bow before you. Every heart will know your name. Jesus, you alone are worthy. Your kingdom stands the same. Holy, holy is the Lord, God Almighty, strong and sure. Heaven and earth declare your reign. Jesus Christ, forever King. Holy, holy is the Lord. All the nations sing your praise. Your dominion never ends. Your kingdom stands. Your kingdom stands forever. Your nothing compares to your holiness. Nothing compares to your holy you. Your kingdom stands always.